Kani kadai ke Mpcc TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rasa pi tak ke rupa, ringkat bat ke orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Kaseng San Partai Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee hakashitarik mutabna jillew arajar kar khandai. Kalashong jelang jong ko Congress Legislative Party ban Phai Dien Biang Halor ke election Lok Sabha arajar kar khandai. Kabadang sudap longshen haubna jemmang balala hakani ke jela Meghalaya kumjo hakari India hi burakawai. Unang yalam kalyang persya jong kaseng Congress u Dr. Mukul Sangma ha ka jekren bat kinong pathai kubor ha ka lai tarek mentau bana jillew arajar kar khandai. Ulaong baka Kongres kapriang ya karai jong kipaiba nongsong senong kari India hi berakawai kibala Punjab ya Kongres tang san pausin ki MP sya ka yeng darbar thawan jong kari kabadan san spa sa phulai ngot ki MP baro u Dr. Mukul Sangma ulaong baka Mpcc kala syemru ya karai ban kersan biang yau Rahul Gandhi ba undang nyai beteng kumu presiden yang All India Congress Committee watla ka Kongres kalamat ya jing syarem kapun ha ke election Lok Sabha ha keleng ki jela jong kari India mentau snam arjakat kendai.
The CLP is of the view that the party has responded to the call of duty to flag the concerns, issues before the nation during the election. The mandate, irrespective of whatever may be the outcome, but the party has responded to the call of duty under the leadership of our Congress President, Rahul Gandhi ji. And we stand committed to see that we work as a family, as a paribar, to address the concern of the nation, to address the concern of all the stakeholders of this country as a political party, and ensure that we are able to respond to every kind of challenges that confront our given democratic system. And we also reasserted our resolve to convey our message that the Congress has come thus far under the leadership of Rahul Gandhi ji as our Congress President, and he must continue to provide us the guidance and direction as the leader of the party, as the President of the party. So we are conveying this along with our PCC and the party organization as a whole. The CLP also conveys the same thing and will urge upon him to still guide and lead the whole organization in the best interest of the people and the nation as the Congress President. Now that the government has indicated some of their resolve to proceed ahead with some of the agendas, I think we are concerned about the agendas. Citizenship Amendment Bill, the proposed Citizenship Amendment Bill, which in the preceding term of NDA, they could not rather legislate. This is a matter of concern. We have to be watchful. We have to see that when the measures to again come through this whole legislative proposal in the same format, in the same form, how it is going to come, and whether the government of the day will try to push through this agenda irrespective of disapproval and opposition from certain parts of the country. This has to be seen, and we will be very watchful. We'll have to be on our toes. We have to be seen as a very alert and responsive opposition, and we commit to the people that we will not be seen wanting in doing this. There should not be complacency from the people who are going to be affected by similar kind of adventurism in the long run if they can actually see that, okay, nothing happens. I'm afraid that there has been some political discourse which has been generated by saying, okay, why can't you have the right to purchase property in your own country? Come on. You have to understand the historical background and the legacy associated with how this country has come together. We always refer to our constitution, which refers the whole, the nation as a union of states. Therefore, these are few important issues which are before us. We'll have to see as, they embark upon number of initiatives vis-a-vis their policy and the manifesto that they have presented before the nation. And we as opposition, both in the center and in the state, will be following them intently with utmost caution and sense of responsibility.